You need to do your intro stuff. Yay! Try to find a magnum. You're not streaming, are you? I don't want to know the stream snipe us. There's some Mosin ammo. Oh, should I grab the tactical shirt? Oh, I don't know. Alright, I'll take it out. I need to find some more mags for my AK. Is that you? Is that you? Okay, just making sure that was you, because I saw somebody in the middle of the airfield. Scared me to death, dude. Scared me to death, man. Don't do that to me ever again. Are those two zombies dead? You don't see that crawling one? Fix that. Right? No. Is it fixed? Once we get more mags, once we get more mags, we can join a high pop, I guess. I just need more mags. I'm hoping we can find a helicopter crash. Zombie, zombie, zombie. Behind me. Oh, I have a gun that takes that. Hey, dude, you should grab this red backpack so that I know that's you, because we both have the same backpack. Why is stuff like spawning in everywhere? Like, holy crap. Like how, hey dude, come here. I can't see no loot where I'm standing. Is that just a glitch in the hangars? Like, can you see that mountain backpack? Stand where I'm at, back here. Can you see a mountain backpack in there? I can't. I don't know why. How do I fix that? I'm talking about. I know. I zoom in. That's the only way I can see it. Oh, did you zoom in to see it? So you couldn't see it? No, when you're back here, when you zoom in, can you see it until you zoom in? Come back here. Oh! That's exactly it. Oh no, really? Are you serious? Zombie, 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 cover, cover, cover. Two zombies, cover. Come on. What? What? I'm out of ammo. How'd that zombie? That zombie just like MLG pro'd me. What crap is that? Here's a compressor for your Mosin. All I need is a 75 round mag and I'll be good. All I need. Oh god, there's two zombies. Yeah. There's like no mags in this place. Is that a mag? Grab, run, run. Yeah, 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 zombie behind you. I got it, I got it. Get dropped. I don't really lag as much as I used to for some reason. No. Well, I just found one, so I have 22 rounds in it. What kind? How'd that thing just hit me? Oh, I want that, I want that. Come on, I'll be right back. Hey dude, cover me. Mom here? Huh? Hey, I gotta go.